How are you? I think you are all well. Best wishes. Today presentation VR Studio. VR Studio is a Photoshop video marketing product. We are proud to stay 2000 plus pp live other products simple and versatile video marketing platform after using VR Studio. Get install access the world's first all brands 360-degree virtual tour product space build platform to create unlimited profitable video and any niche in the just 3 second unique video editing with throw of Alpine SD video template and 360 scenes. Use sell unlimited 360 product and video your client and customer. So 100% fuel all bronze client platform and professional 360 virtual tour product simple cloud bronze. Use 360 video tutorial trial unlimited site enable to 360 video image and any there. No limitation, complete free. Download unlimited 360 point tours product and video. Got throws of pro made SD video template. Got commission license. Sell unlimited access and video earn like the big buys. Knows special skill experience requirement. Embroidered advertising, video editing, and image editing. $200 refund in don't work for you.
Sid Gupta here. And
See
if you
this
are an
video
e-commerce store owner,
or
YouTuber,
more
agency owner, ad
information,
specialist, or small and
just
medium
click
business
my
owner,
video
you
description
know
link
these days product image is
or
dominant
this
digital
video.
asset for online
See
sales.
more
In
information
fact,
about
consumers
this
don't shop at
software.
stores anymore because of the convenience of online shopping in the comfort of their homes. And every business owner realizes this too. In the past few years, 360 images for businesses have become a popular alternative for standard product image and virtual tours. But not everyone can use 360 images because camera equipment alone costs a fortune. Learning the skills will take forever. Professional teams take almost $800 to $1,500 per hour for single 360
Oh
image.
my
Creative
god.
subscription
Very,
sites
very.
that offer ready-to-use 360 image charge hefty fee. Vetting and hiring freelancer for 360 video and images is really cumbersome. Either way, you'll end up spending tons of money and your time. I've even spent thousands of dollars every month on good quality 360 virtual images and videos for my clients. But after working for 1 year straight, we created a solution, and it has changed the game for every business owner out there. Imagine if you were able to generate your own 360 virtual image builder platform to create unlimited profitable images and videos in any niche involvable. Introducing 360 Era, world's first AI-based 360 virtual product spin builder platform to create unlimited.
See more video description in more information about this video. This video also see YouTube. Click here. Got a extend grade your copy before in experience. The software is very explain. Why? Because 30-day money back guarantee. Very nice. No tension. Do futti. So buy the software or any time replace you the software. PayPal, Visa card or Mastercard, buy the software anytime. 3 steps: just logging, upload image. Step 2, will generate 3-step virtual tour or product wishes video. Step 3, play, download and click. Create unlimited video use for yourself, say, sell or your client. Keep your profile. Well, so very easy to use. E-commerce website engineering are thorough found. More than information about video description link, just click here. Or more than information, see. Create and subscription service cost $100 every month, and freelancing Fiverr, Upwork, domain harmful amount to suggesting image. See this product Fiverr, work or Upwork. Amount VRStudio. See this sub video link. Very easy to use the software. See how to use the software. Very easy to use. See. Really very useful software. See, very easy to use. Download. See more information about my video description link. See e-commerce videos, tease, animation video, example video, live action video, transmission video, training video, product review, music video, demo video, vlogger and YouTube video, TikTok video, Reels, ad video, gaming video, sale video, animation video, whiteboard video, maintain graphics video, security video, or website webness giveaway video. See VRStudio product or other product, many difference. So what do you think? Just click buy access now. See bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, bonus 5, bonus. So what do you think? Just click bonus. Unlimited marketplace marketing email, 80% discount all upgrade. So more very useful software.